The shiny object syndrome in the weight loss industry. Friend, there is something common between you and me, that we all want to become fit and good looking fast. And that's why there is a shiny object syndrome. Creators are available in the market which usually claim lose up to 7 kg in 7 days. And you need to be beware of this thing. In this very video, I will be covering up the 5 things which you need to apply to have the permanent fitness in your life. Health, happiness, immunity, and to have great body. This is my goal for every client, for everybody.
This is how legends are made.
Hi, my name is Bhupendra and I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I'm on the mission to transform 100,000 working class people of India into happy, healthy, immune and to have a great body. That's why I have created an ebook, Know Your Fitness. Friends, I still remember that when for the first time I started my health journey, on that time I met with a dietitian, and the dietitian has given me a diet plan of 1000 calorie or 800 calories, which was including the 2 or 3 spoons of poha, oats, and it was all kind of a detoxification plan of 1000 calorie, including of fruits and vegetables. For the very first time I was able to lose my weight 10 kg in a single month, and I really became happy and amazed. And I thought this thing, that from now on onwards I will be spending my more and more time by consuming fruits and vegetables only. Although fruits and vegetables are really good for your health, but if your nutrition is not full of all the macronutrients like the complex carbohydrates and the protein, then you just forget about the 6-pack abs or a zero figure like the Kareena Kapoor and other celebrities. Friends, there is a shiny object syndrome going on. There are so many dietitians, they usually market themselves that you can lose up to 3 kg, 7 kg in 7 days, lose up to 20 kg in 1 month. Friends, usually it happens, but it is not a permanent solution of your lifestyle. Imagine for a moment that tomorrow you wake up in the morning and you see yourself very fit and with the charming personality you have. The number one question which I want to ask to you, that will you be happy? The many of the people going to say yes, of course. But I would like to give you a guarantee that if you are not going to shift your lifestyle, then again after a year or after a 2 year, you will become the same person like you are right now. And there is an opposite side is also here, that if a person who is very obese and very overweight, but he has shifted his mind towards the fitness and now his mindset has been changed, then the day is not far when he will become a fit person forever. So friends, there is the shiny object and it works for the temporary basis, but it is not a life. Until and unless you are not going to change your lifestyle, you are not going to find out a permanent fitness in your life. And today I will be talking about the 5 things which you need to change to achieve your permanent fitness. The number one thing is this: start waking up early. If you are not waking up early, then your day is not in your control. Something else is going to control your day. So if you want to control your day, then I suggest to you that wake up early. The second thing which you need to do some workouts. Friends, those people who tells to you that workouts, you can lose your weight without any workouts, they are wrong. There is a way to the workout in your home. Okay, so you don't require any gyms and other stuff to do your workouts. Even a simple walking is also helpful for you. But if you believe that some kind of a magical food is going to help you out to achieve your fitness, then you are wrong. You need to adapt some kind of a workout habits into your life. Walking, simple walking is the number one thing which you can do. The number third, meditation. 21st century is a century where the most of the cases are of overweight and obesity is because of the hypertension. Friends, meditation is a tool which usually instantly make your cortisol level down, and cortisol is a hormone which is also known as the weight increasing hormone. So you need to be very much conscious about your tension level. Friends, the fourth thing which you need to do, that you need to avoid the junk food and always prefer a nutrition diet. What do you mean by nutrition? Imagine for a moment that I have a plate. It is 50% covered up with the salads and seasonal vegetable. One portion is covered up with the protein, good sources of protein, and the another part is the cover up with the complex carbohydrate. That should be your diet. Simply, friends, if you want to lose your weight, you need to eat 500 calories less than your requirement, and you need to make a big mindset shift, and you need to change a big lifestyle. So this is the key to achieve your fitness permanently. Because if I ask to a person that do you like to consume any cookies and cake, then that person who is obese and overweight, and if they are not changing permanently, they will grab their hand on those things. But those people who are fit, they will say that first of all we consume the right thing, and at last if I am going to feel like, then I am going to consume cookies or cakes, because they have this thing of, they have the awareness that the cookies is not the full food, and the food which we usually eat just because to have the energy, not because of the pleasure. Friends, the fifth thing which you need to know, sleep early. You will be amazed to know that working class people of the world, they are sleeping 1 hour less than their body requirement. So when you usually feel energetic, I think in the morning you feel really energetic. And if you're not sleeping good, then imagine that how your body is tolerating this thing. That's why always remember this thing, that the obesity and overweight is a lifestyle issue, not your dieting issue. So not only you need to modify your diet, but your diet also must suits your lifestyle, so that your hormone will become balanced again, and you will become again a automatic fat losing machine. And for that purpose, you need to adapt a nourishment plan for a long term purpose. Imagine that I am a 6 feet 1 inch person, and who used to consume only 1000 calories, or you can say a calorie of a 200 gram of ice cream for the whole day. How my body used to survive. So that's why, my friends, everyone has its own requirement, and if you're serious about your dream physique, then you need to find out some kind of a nourishment plan and balanced nutrition diet. Don't stuck in the system of the shiny object, because if you are not going to give the proper nourishment to your life, not only your immunity will be loose, but you will also feel depressed, because food is the energy, and what kind of a food which we usually eat, it creates our attitude. You need to remember this thing. When I did this kind of a diets, I started losing my hairs. I used to have the dark circles, and so many females has this kind of a problem. But still, until unless you are not going to change your behavior towards the food, it will be really hard for you to achieve a permanent fitness. But these all are some of the things which you need to adapt in your life to see some major shifts of your health. Friends, if I'm connecting with you in any of this, then I like to invite to you on my Sunday webinar at 11 a.m. Link I'm giving you in the description. Just click on the link, and if you are looking forward for a long-term plan, if you are looking forward for a major lifestyle changes, and if you are looking forward for the plan through which every celebrity lose their weight and gain their weight and gain their muscles, then only come into my webinar. This is Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness and be happy without any reason, and I wish more power to you, and do join my webinar if I'm connecting with you.